the facts that you guys were bringing. Oh, this really sucks. I'm gonna start it again. And I tell you what, oh God. Hey everybody, welcome to Just Jeep It. I'm Joe, your host for today. Today is Monday and I'm doing a video and I can't get through this stupid introduction. Jeez. Hey everybody, welcome to Just Jeep It. How you doing? I'm Joe. What is up everybody? Hey everybody, welcome to Just Jeep It. I'm Joe. Got a quick video for you on JK Brakes today. But before we get started, I wanted to give a large hello shout out to the Just Jeep It Blue and Gold fan club, especially Sutton, Abby, Emily, and Rohan, and of course, Lauren and Molly. You guys really make this channel a lot of fun. I'm glad you're enjoying the content and the merch, the stickers, everything. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. We're gonna have a tire changing clinic coming up in the summer, so stay tuned for that, guys. So today's video is less of a how to take the brakes off and how to put them back on, but more of a comparison between the one piston caliper JK brakes and the two piston caliper JL brakes. We're running bigger tires, we're running a lot of aftermarket bumpers and a lot of heavy parts, so it's always a good idea to upgrade your braking system. And of course, Jeep has done it again. You can cross-pollinate different parts from different models, and it won't break the bank. So let's get these brakes off. I got the new parts sitting out here. They look really sharp. Looking forward to taking the old brakes off so we can do some comparisons, and you'll see what we're talking about. So let's get to getting. All right. Okay, so take a look at the brake rotors. JL brake rotor, JK brake rotor. Oh, check it out. This is what prompted the whole brake job. Caliper got stuck, chewed up all the pads and rotors. So why replace it with stock stuff if we can replace it with an upgrade? So JL brake rotor is 13 inches across. JK brake rotor, 12 inches across, so you got a little bit more braking surface, which is good. It's a little bit thicker, JL versus JK. I don't know if we can. See if I can get this here for you guys. I don't know if that's really doing anything, but you can see, look at the size of the brake rotors. So much difference. Oh my gosh. Jeez. The hats, the rotor hats are the same distance, so it'll line up. Really making a mess here. And then the pads. Caliper stuck, JL brakes, JK brakes. Look at the difference. Why replace with stock if you can upgrade? Got bigger tires, a lot more rolling resistance, rolling mass. Big stuff stops better. Look at that. I like it. All right, let's take the caliper off and we'll do the comparison of the calipers. And here's the difference in the brake calipers. So you can see the one piston design on the JK, two piston design on the JL. Yeah, there's really not much to discuss here. She'd be bigger. Look at this. I mean, it's way heavier. Look at that. Two piston setup, more braking surface. One piston setup. So I guess the reason why the brakes wore down is this piston didn't retract into the caliper because it was all seized up. It's an original factory one from 17, and it was just putting constant pressure on that brake pad and just wore it down. But yeah, so here we go. Here's your price comparison. Look at this. Look at this, shoppers. Man, it's like no comparison. Just bigger. Look at the surface area. I mean, it's just bigger. Why wouldn't you do this, right? I mean, give yourself more brakes. And you get the fitted calipers with the caliper brackets. No muss, no fuss. You just bolt it on. So the only thing you have to do, and I'll show you once I'm done, is you have to cut the dust shield a little bit. But other than that, it's a simple bolt-on. So We're gonna go put these puppies on, return these cords when we're done. Man, I just can't get over how big they are, but yeah, there you go. JL, JK. So with the bigger calipers and brake caliper brackets, you have to trim the dust shield a little bit. Didn't really take too much of it off. Simple to get to, quick cut-off wheel job, not a big deal. All right, here is the finished product. Look at the size of this caliper and the rotors. This is some real mean stopping power. I'm really excited about this. So I'll do the other side, we'll bleed it, and take it for a test drive, and we'll call it good. But yeah, what a difference. What I think I'm gonna do, I didn't do this before, but I will take a quick video and do a little comparison before and after. But there she is. Brake upgrade, JL brakes on a JK. That's awesome. Okay, so that about wraps it up. I just got back from the test drive, and all I gotta say is wow. So before, there was a lot of pedal play before the brakes started really kicking in, and that's probably because they were worn down and everything, but I would probably venture to guess that those double piston calipers really grabbed that rotor. So really worthwhile upgrade, super easy, stock parts from JL. You can't beat it. So I'll put the part numbers from Rock Auto in my description, and stay tuned for part 2, which will be doing the rear rotors with another Jeep that we all know and love, but not the JL. It's another one. So no, it's not a CJ either, guys. Come on, give me a break here. We're a YJ. But look, great upgrade, lots of good stuff. Stop on a dime. Bleeding those brakes were a lot of fun, but took a lot of fluid. Double pistons, big chamber, a lot of fluid. So take care of yourselves, take care of your Jeeps, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.